Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on mathematical logic lecture 1. In logic, that is mathematical logic, the word statement or proposition plays an important role. So firstly we have to define what is statement or proposition. A statement or proposition is a declarative sentence. That is, it is either true or false, but not both. Therefore, a sentence which is either true or false, but not both, is called a statement. All sentences are not a statement. The sentence which is either true or false, that sentence is called a statement. Interrogative, imperative, exclamatory sentences have no importance in mathematical logic. For example, interrogative, who are you? Here, we cannot examine that it is true or false. So, we shall examine the truthfulness. Truthfulness means true or false of the following sentences. Number 1, the earth revolves around the sun. We know that earth revolves around the sun. That is true. This sentence is true, therefore this sentence is a statement. Here, number 2, 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Since it is obvious 5 plus 3 equal to 8, true, therefore it is a statement. Here we have written mathematically 5 plus 3 equal to 8, but in sentence we write this 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. This is a sentence. Here, by symbolically, we have written 5 numerical digit plus numerical digit 3 equal to 8. But in sentence we write like this, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. It is a sentence. Number 3, 2 less than 1. We know that 2 is greater than 1. Therefore it is false. So this is false means it is a statement. The sentence which is true or false is a statement, so it is a statement. Here x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. We may find the value of x. Here we may write this x plus 1 whole square equal to 0 implies that x equal to minus 1 quadratic, so minus 1. So we may get the value that is true. Therefore it is a statement. Now we see the following sentences. Who are you? Here we cannot examine it is true or false. Number 2, Ram says that he always speaks lie. What is the process that this Ram's statement is true or false? We cannot examine this. So it is not a statement. X plus y equal to 3. We cannot find the particular values of x and y to make their addition 3. We may get numbers of solutions. So it is not a statement. Now we define logical connectives. Logical connectives are very necessary as we take two statements and join them. For example, Ram goes to school and he study there. That means here and is the connectives and connects two statements. Ram goes to school, he study at the school. Here and joins two sentences or two statements. So we define logical connectives when two or more statements are joined to make a new statement. Then this process is called connection of statements. And the word or symbol which helps for connection is called logical connectives. In our example, and is the logical connectives. And symbolically we may show and as a symbol. Here we have given the logical connectives. These are logical connectives and this is a symbol. Number one, and is a logical connective. Its logical name is conjunction and or conjunction. Logical name is conjunction and symbol is like this. Second connective is or. Logical name is disjunction and symbol is this. V like. Third number, logical connective is implication. Implication. Symbol is arrow. Implication means if you go there, then you will find a new thing. If you go, then, if then, implication. It represents implication. Our fourth logical connective is double implication. Its symbol is both sides arrow. Example is you will get success if and only if you labor hard. Fifth logical connective is negation. Its symbol is like this. For example, he will read today. Negation is he will not read today. Now we shall discuss about kinds of statements. Here we get two kinds of statement. Number one, simple statement, and number two, molecular statement. What is simple statement? When a statement is formed without any connectives, then this statement is called simple statement. Here we get no connectives. For example, she is a girl. Here we have no connectives. For here there is no and, or, implication, double implication, negation. We are not getting here. So this is a simple statement. And it is a true as she is a girl. She is feminine gender. So here for girl it is used. Number two, moon is black. Here also we do not get any connectives. So this is a simple statement. As moon is bright, so this is false statement. Number two, molecular statement. When two or more statements are connected by connectives to form a single statement, then it is called molecular statement. Connectives are and, or, implication, double implication, negation, these are connectives. Here, with the help of these connectives, we may form a new statement with the help of simple statements. By connecting simple statements. Example, Rajni is a student of MSc class and she is a good player. Here one part is Rajni is a student of MSc class. This is a simple statement. Number two, she is a good player. She is a good player. It is also a simple statement. We have connected two statements by the connective and. So this becomes a molecular statement. Now we shall solve some questions such that we have to write these statements with the help of logical connectives. We solve number one. In number one, we get that Ragini is a student of BSc class. This is a simple statement. And she is a good player. She is a good player is the other simple statement. Here connective is and. So we have to write this statement with the help of connectives. First write P is a statement which denotes Ragini is a student of BSc class. This is number one. A, B part is Q. She is a good player. She is a good player. In symbolic form, we write first simple statement by P and second simple statement by Q. Here we have connective and. The symbol of and is like this. So we write answer is P conjunction Q. This is called conjunction and. Logical name is conjunction. So P conjunction Q. P is Ragini is a student of BSc class. Conjunction Q. Conjunction means and. Q means she is a good player. So answer is P conjunction Q. Now we solve number 2. In number 2, if he is strong, then he will be first. Here we have two parts. He is strong, he will be first. So we write a statement denoting by P. He is strong. And other part is Q. He will be first. This is the case of implication. if then, if we get in a sentence if then, this denotes implication. So we write answer P implication Q. That means P means he is strong. If he is strong, implication means then he will be first. Number 3. In number 3 we get in a triangle ABC the angle B is right angle if and only if AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. If and only if is the case of double implication. Here we have two parts. Number 1, number 3 problem. Number A is ABC is a right angled triangle with a right angle at B. Let we denote this statement by P. Q is second part of the statement. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Here we get if and only if. So this is the case of double implication. Answer is P double implication Q. Now we shall solve the fourth problem. Here we get that he will go to college or stay in home and read. Here we get three parts. He will go to college, he will stay in home, he will read. So first we write A equal to, A is P, this statement, he will go to college. This is P. Number B is Q statement. He will stay in home. Number C, R is name of the statement. He will read. So, by logical connectives, we represent this compound statement or molecular statement as he will go to college, P, or means this type of this junction, or he will stay in home and he will read. This is a Q and means conjunction. This is the answer. P is he will go to college, or this is logical connective disjunction, or he will stay in home and means conjunction, R means he will read. This is the answer. Now we have question. Question is that these are two statements. Ramesh is a player and Mohan is an intelligent boy. We have two statements. First statement is denoted by P and second statement is denoted by Q. Here we have given in symbolic form with their connectives. We have to express these statements one by one. Number one, P. P means Ramesh is a player, and this is and. We say in logical form connectives. This is this is conjunction. And Q, Mohan is an intelligent boy. So P means Ramesh is a player and Q means Mohan is an intelligent boy. Mohan is an intelligent boy. This is Ramesh is a player P and Q means Mohan is an intelligent boy. So we write number one answer. Ramesh is a player and Mohan is an intelligent boy. Number two. Here P means Ramesh is a player. This is and we say it conjunction. Negation Q. Q is Mohan is an intelligent boy. Negation means Mohan is not an intelligent boy. So we write here P means Ramesh is a player and Q means Mohan is not an intelligent boy. Number three. This is negation P. P is Ramesh is a player. Negation P means Ramesh is not a player. This is disjunction or. We write or. Here Q means Mohan is an intelligent boy. Negation Q is Mohan is not an intelligent boy. So number three will be Ramesh is not a player or this is or Mohan is not an intelligent boy. Number four. Here under bracket P conjunction Q. P and Q. Conjunction means and. P is Ramesh is a player and Mohan is an intelligent boy. Here negation. Negation means it is not true here. So we write number four. It is not true that Ramesh is a player and Mohan is an intelligent boy. Number 5 is implication. In implication, we get if then. If P, then Q. If P means if Ramesh is a player, then Q means Mohan is an intelligent boy. So, number 5 will be if Ramesh is a player, then Mohan is an intelligent boy. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.